Hello, I'm Ranglata Bhadoria. Today we will study India location, the first chapter of class 11th geography. The mainland of India extends from Kashmir in north to Kanyakumari in the south and Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. India's territorial limit further extends towards the sea up to 12 nautical miles. It's about 21.9 km from the coast. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. India is the seventh largest country in the world with total area of 32,87,263 square kilometer, which is 2.42% of the world's area. It is the second most populous country after China in the world with a population of 1.21 billions. The southern part of the country lies within the tropics and the northern part lies in the subtropical zone or the warm temperate zone. This location is responsible for large variations in landforms, climate, soil types and natural vegetation in the country. There is a variation of nearly 30 degrees from west to east in India, which causes a time difference of nearly 2 hours between the easternmost and the westernmost parts of the country. This difference is based on the fact that the distance between two longitudes decreases towards the poles, whereas the distance between two latitudes remains the same everywhere. While the sun rises in the northern eastern states about 2 hours earlier as compared to Jaisalmer, the watches in Dibrugarh, Imphal in the east and Jaisalmer, Bhopal or Chennai in the other parts of the India shows the same times because we follow one standard time all over India called Indian Standard Time. 82 degree 30 minutes considered as standard meridian of India. Why 82 degree 30 minutes is considered as standard meridian? Because almost from the middle of the India it is passes through. So there is no various time zones in India. The time difference between Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat is 2 hours. There is a general understanding among the countries of the world to select the standard meridian in multiples of 7 degree 30 minutes of longitude. That is why 82 degree 30 minutes east has been selected as the standard meridian of India. Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours and 30 minutes. There are some countries where there are more than one standard meridian due to their vast east to west extent. For example, the USA have 7 time zones. Latitude. It is an imaginary line that measures north-south directions 0 degree to 90 degree north or south. Longitude. It is also an imaginary line that measures east-west direction 0 degree to 182 degree east or west. Here you can see the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. If we talk about latitudinal extent of mainland of India is from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. Longitudinal extent, it is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. And Tropic of Cancer almost passes through from the middle of the India. It is the value of 23.5 degree north. Area is 3.2 million, 2.4% of land of the world. India is 7th largest country in the world according to area and second most populous country next to China. Mainland boundary is about 15200 km. Coastline boundary is 7516.6 km. North to south extension is 3214 km and east to west extension is 2900 kilometers. Here you can see the location of India in the eastern world. Almost all the countries are connected by India through sea routes. India. The size of India has entered her with great physical diversity. Thus, you may appreciate the presence of lofty mountains in the north, large rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri, green forested hills in northeast and south India, and the vast sandy expanse of Marusthali in the Rajasthan. You may further appreciate that bounded by the Himalayas in the north, Hindu Kush and Suleiman ranges in the northwest, Purvanchal hills in the northeast, and by the large expanse of the Indian Ocean in the south, it forms a great geographical entity known as the Indian subcontinent. It includes the countries Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and India. The Himalayas, together with other ranges, have acted as a formidable physical barrier in the past, except for a few mountain passes such as the Khyber, the Bolan, the Shipkila, the Nathula, the Bomdila, etc. It was difficult to cross it. It has contributed towards the evolving of unique regional identity of the Indian subcontinent. By referring to the physical map of India, you can now we can study about the physical variations. Peninsular part of India extends towards the Indian Ocean. This has provided the country with a coastline of 6100 km in the mainland and 7517 km in the entire geographical coast of the mainland, plus the island groups Andaman and Nicobar located in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Thus, India as a country is a physical diverse land providing occurrence of varied resources. Indian states and neighboring countries. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. It is located in the south central part of the continent of Asia, bordering the Indian Ocean and its two arms extending in the form of Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. In the north, China, Nepal and Bhutan, its neighboring countries. In the east, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And in the west, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And Sri Lanka and Maldives are two neighboring countries which are completely lies in the one is in the Bay of Bengal and other is in Indian Ocean. So Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries located in the Indian Ocean which are our neighbors. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. The maritime location of peninsular India has provided links to its neighboring regions through the sea and air routes. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries located in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. Now, what is the difference between Gulf and Strait? Gulf is a deep inlet of the sea with a narrow mouth which is surrounded by land. A strait is a narrow passage between land masses that connect two bodies of water. Gulf connects two water bodies. Strait connects two large water bodies. Gulf of Mannar connects southern tip of India and west coast of Sri Lanka. Park of Strait connects Tamil Nadu and northern province of island of Sri Lanka. Thank you so much.